name's Anae, and today I'm going to be opening, well, I've already opened it with my mum, and this is what came in it. I haven't seen all of it. I don't know what's in here. I don't know what type of stuff and my extras. So let's get started. So first of all, I've got my extras, and it's like a bouncy pink ball. Pretty good. I've got an EOS. I've got a squishy. That looks like it's been used, but pretty slow rising. Then I put it back in. Then I got a turtle. Focus. Turtle. That's all my extras. And now I'm gonna see what's in this box. So I'm gonna. Okay, it's slime, and I did not order this, I don't think. Let me just check. No. Didn't order it. Okay, so it looks like this. And it's really wet and watery. Oh, gross. Okay, so let's see if it's pokeable. Pretty pokeable. So let's see if it's stretchy. It's really watery, as you can see, stretchy. Just breaks. Look, ready? Oh my gosh, so sticky. Oh, it's so watery. Okay, it's really pokeable. So, yeah, and I did not order this. So, and on this sheet it says pink fluffy slime $4, bright pink jiggly slime $3. That was not bright pink, so I don't think that. I did not order it. Bead pink slime $2, galaxy slime $5, altogether $16 plus shipping $2. No returns. Enjoy. Thank you. Yeah. So my first thing I'm going to take out is this, and I'm not sure what it is. Oh my gosh. Yeah, it's beady, so it must be my bead pink slime $2. It's so sticky. Look. Oh my gosh. How do I take this off? Okay, for $2, this was $2, pretty good. We'll see how the others are. Okay. Next one. This must be pink fluffy slime $4. This is actually pretty good, but it's really hard. It's really hard when I squish it. Look, hard to squish. So Oh, you can see the borax. I can feel it. Ew, it's like bumps. Okay. For $4. That's a lot. The highest is $5, the Galaxy Slime. So I'm guessing this is the Galaxy Slime for $5, and there's not even a lot of it. So this is what it looks like. Haven't played with it yet. So I'm gonna squish it. It's not even putty. It's like, it's not even slime or putty. I don't even know what it is. It's pretty stretchy. Oh, it's all my hands. I can feel it. Look. Ew. $5 for this. And it's not even slime. Okay. Don't even know why I'm playing with it. Oh, this is just on my head. Next, the last one is this pink jiggly slime. And it was for bright pink jiggly slime, $3. Oh my gosh, it's sticky. Never mind. Oh my gosh, it's really sticky. Look. Oh my. That smells really bad. And plus, Ruby, this is gross. The person who gave this to me is called Ruby. And she does not have a channel. But she's called Ruby. Oh my god, this is so sticky. Ew. I don't even know why I'm playing with it. Oh my god, it's getting all on my clothes. Oh. Oh my god. I'm just getting more and more. Oh, gross. It's so gross. Rub it on the bed. Okay. $3. This was the worst slime package I've ever had. The best was probably, I'm going to see if they're pokeable. So this one, I can feel the borax. It has, ew, there's like hair and dirt. Ew. Okay. That one is kind of pokeable. It's Galaxy $5 slime. It's like not even pokeable. It's so hard to poke. It's like, okay. Now the speed one. Yeah, this one's good. Poking. But I can feel all the beads. They're like hurting my hands. This one I'm not going to touch. That is just all around my bed now. This one, I'm going to get it all together because if I poke it, look, I'm going to spread it out and make it a thin layer. If I poke it, I can can't even hear it. And look, when I poke it, see? So thin. that it doesn't even poke. Look, it made that. Just terrible. That's why you need to make it thick. Ready? This is the best pokeable one. And probably the stretchiest. So, yeah. Okay. Hope you enjoyed this video. Ruby, this was not a very good slime package. So yeah, hope you enjoyed this video. Comment, subscribe, like, and